Hello passionate gardener, welcome back again with another video. So today I'll be sharing with you my updates about the plants I'm growing. Today is a nice weather, another sunny day, lot of greenery around this, so a lot of plants. It's lovely view. Like I do gardening, as you know, I keep doing my gardening stuff, and the weather in the UK is the best time to garden is the summer, and we don't get too often this nice sunny weather. So you can see it's a bit cloudy as well, but it's a lot of sunlight is here. We're in the sixth floor, but our building is started bit already high, and it looks like around 8 floor distance, and it's nice view. We can see half of the town from here. It's like very nice view, and hope you're liking as well the view here. You can see how far you can see when is the sky is clear and the weather is nice. In cloudy weather we may not see much, but yeah, let's start with the gardening updates. So this is the one of my flower plant. It's a lot of flowers in the summer. They are very nice color. The aubergine is also growing well. The chili also it looks healthy. A lot of chili flowers are coming up. You can see a lot of flowers showing. It's around June it's June at this stage, early June, and you can see the cucumber have some female buds coming up, so we'll be expecting a lot of cucumbers, a lot of chilies. And I need what I do in chili plant, like sometime I come and shake it, because even the uh, air blowing will do the pollination, but sometime I do some hand pollination, just checking the plants, and that's it. Like this is the paper plant. They are also growing healthy. You can see little flower buds are coming up, and we'll be expecting some fruits, a lot of peppers, a lot of chilies from this plant. It's really amazing. The homegrown fruit or vegetable taste are awesome, like then far better than the one we buy from the market or shops or supermarket. So yeah, try this homegrown one, you'll love it. So yeah, so again, starting with the chili, you can see like little chili buds showing. They are start growing a bit, like some are a bit bigger, so probably in 2-3 weeks time it will be ready to harvest. Their freshness amazes us, like it's really nice. Growing chili is an easy, like you have to water them when the soil is dry. Don't over water, because sometimes we forget to control the water. We keep watering them. Don't do that. When the soil is getting dry, then only add water, and that will give the boost to the plant. And use the balanced fertilizer. That should be okay. And sometimes I can use the organic fertilizers as like chicken manure. You can see I have some plants around the corner. There is a like metal sticks that's holding that as and so that it does not fall down in the sides, because there are other flats or rooms down there. So I have did some support. It's getting cloudy. Sooner, like probably the rain is going to come. There is a train I can see, and that's why I thought to just quickly zoom it. It looks nice, like the train is going there. It's around few hundred meters from my location, but we cannot hear those sounds of train very often. But it looks lovely and nice to see. So yeah, now just telling you a few more tips about the plants, like what I do, like time to time do the weeding, because even you can see like there are little grasses coming up. It is the right time just we remove those, because my soils are dry. And as I said, don't overwater those plants, they will be fine, like, but when it's dry, then only just removing those weeds with hands. That's the best way to do that, instead of using some weed killer, because that's harmful for your plants, harmful for the environment. And if the weed killer is a bit poisonous, so it will slowly go in under the with the plants, and it will go inside your body. So try to avoid the weeding or weed killer or any pesticides. Try to do the hand work, like I just remove some grass. Those are the red spinach, so I have planted them, that's why I'm not taking this out. Like few under the plant, they will grow well. That shouldn't be causing the problem to the chili plant. Other important tips that I used to follow for my gardening is the pesticide. I don't used to use any pest or like chemical pesticide. I use the home remedy. So the pesticides like pest like aphids, they normally attack the plant's young growth. And to remove them, what I do, like I use some home remedy, and I use the soapy water, which is like dishwasher liquid, and give some drops of dishwasher liquid in a bottle and shake it and apply this soapy water on top of the plant. Soapy water not going to harm the plant, they're just going to be give a coat to the paste like apid, because the apid skin is very soft. Those liquid will harm their skin and they will eventually die. And that way you can just use the homemade pesticide and don't hamper the environment or your plant. And for homemade organic fertilizer, you can use eggshells. Crush those eggshells. They'll have a lot of calciums. Banana peels, dried them and use in the pot. You have other vegetable waste you can use as a fertilizer. As you can see, there are a lot of strawberry plants I have, and I'm going to harvest some of the strawberries. They are ready to ripe and they are delicious if it is homegrown. And it's best to pick up in the afternoon, like when the sun is up, and taste them. They'll taste lovely instead of holding them home for longer and eat later. The taste is best when you pick up and eat instantly, and definitely wash it when needed. And that's it, like I give you like little tour in my balcony garden. Hope you like the video. If you do gardening, if you love gardening, and if you like my video, give a thumbs up. And if you'd like to know more tips about the gardening, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for upcoming new videos. Thanks.